Ever felt like you're drowning in paperwork? Tired of manually creating invoices, chasing down payments, and wondering where all your time goes? So you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into Xero, a powerful cloud-based accounting software, and answering the burning question: can Xero generate invoices? And more importantly, how can it save you time and money? Running a business involves countless tasks, and invoicing is often a major time-consuming one. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or a larger enterprise, accurate and timely invoicing is crucial for cash flow. Manual invoicing can lead to errors, delays, and a significant drain on your resources. That's where accounting software like Xero comes into play. Designed to streamline financial processes, Xero offers a range of features to simplify invoicing and improve your overall financial health. But can it truly generate invoices effectively? Let's find out. Xero's invoicing capabilities. Absolutely. Xero is a powerful tool for generating professional invoices with ease. Here's a breakdown of its key invoicing features. Easy invoice creation. Xero allows you to create invoices quickly and easily. You can use templates, choose from pre-designed templates, or customize your own to match your brand. Add line items. Easily add multiple line items to your invoices, including descriptions, quantities, and unit prices. Calculate taxes. Xero automatically calculates taxes based on your location and tax rates. Add discounts. Offer discounts to your customers with a few simple clicks. Automated recurring invoices. Say goodbye to tedious manual invoicing for recurring services. Xero allows you to schedule recurring invoices, set up recurring invoices for subscriptions, memberships, or any other service that requires regular billing. Customize recurring schedules. Choose how often you want to send invoices: weekly, monthly, quarterly, etc., and set start and end dates. Automate payments. Integrate with payment gateways to automatically process payments for recurring invoices. Professional invoice delivery. Xero offers various options for delivering your invoices. Email. Send invoices directly from Xero via email with just a few clicks. PDF export. Download invoices as PDFs for printing or sending via other channels. Online portal. Allow customers to view and pay invoices through Xero's online portal. Payment tracking. Xero provides real-time insights into the status of your invoices. Track payments. Easily track which invoices have been paid and which are still outstanding. Send reminders. Automatically send payment reminders to overdue invoices to improve cash flow. Reconcile payments. Quickly and easily reconcile payments received with your invoices. Customizable branding. Ensure your invoices reflect your brand identity. Upload your logo. Add your company logo to all your invoices for professional branding. Customize colors and fonts. Choose colors and fonts that match your brand guidelines. Add a personalized message. Include a custom message to your customers on each invoice. Integration with other tools. Xero seamlessly integrates with a wide range of third-party applications, including project management tools. Integrate with project management tools like Asana or Trello to easily track time and expenses and generate invoices based on completed projects. E-commerce platforms. Integrate with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce to automatically sync orders and generate invoices. Payment gateways. Integrate with popular payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal to streamline online payments. Benefits of using Xero for invoicing. Using Xero for invoicing offers numerous benefits for businesses of all sizes. Save time and money. Automate repetitive tasks, such as manual data entry and invoice creation. Reduce the risk of human error and costly mistakes. Improve cash flow by speeding up the invoicing and payment process. Improved efficiency. Streamline your invoicing workflow and increase productivity. Gain better control over your finances and make informed business decisions. Enhanced customer relationships. Deliver professional invoices that enhance your brand image. Improve customer satisfaction with convenient online payment options. Increased accuracy. Reduce the risk of errors in invoice calculations and ensure accurate billing. Minimize disputes with customers over invoice amounts. Better cash flow management. Track outstanding invoices and send timely reminders to improve cash flow. Gain valuable insights into your payment history and identify any potential cash flow issues. Tips for effective invoicing with Xero. Set up accurate customer information. Ensure all customer information is accurate and up-to-date to avoid delays and errors. Itemize your invoices clearly. Include detailed descriptions of all items and services on your invoices. Use clear and concise language. Make sure your invoices are easy to understand and avoid any confusing terminology. Send invoices promptly. Send invoices as soon as possible after completing a service or delivering goods. Follow up on overdue payments. Send timely reminders to customers with overdue invoices. Use Xero's reporting features. Utilize Xero's reporting features to track your invoicing performance and identify areas for improvement. Beyond invoicing, Xero's comprehensive features. While invoicing is a key feature, Xero offers a much broader range of functionalities to help you manage your finances effectively. These include expense tracking. Easily track and categorize business expenses. Bank reconciliation. Automatically reconcile bank transactions with your Xero accounts. Reporting and analytics. Generate insightful reports on your business performance. Payroll processing. Manage payroll for your employees efficiently. Inventory management. Track inventory levels and manage stock movements. Getting started with Xero. Sign up for a free trial. Start with a free trial to explore Xero's features and see if it's the right fit for your business. Import your data. Easily import your existing customer and financial data into Xero. Customize your settings. Customize Xero to suit your specific business needs and preferences. Explore the help resources. Utilize Xero's extensive help resources, including tutorials, articles, and support forums. Consider professional guidance. If you're unsure about any aspect of Xero, consider consulting with a qualified accountant or bookkeeper. In conclusion, Xero is a powerful and versatile accounting software that can significantly streamline your invoicing process. With its user-friendly interface, automated features, and robust functionality, Xero can help you save time, reduce errors, and improve your overall financial health. By embracing Xero's invoicing capabilities, you can free up valuable time to focus on other aspects of your business, such as growing your customer base and expanding your operations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.